Hey AutoCAD, this is our part 2 for the video tutorial that I'm doing for elevation, plastic laminate countertop elevation dynamic block. So as usual, let's start from 0, 0, and let's give the distance for the countertop as 50 inches on x-axis, comma negative 1.5 inches on y-axis. So this is going to be the thickness of our countertop. That's a double layer of plywood on plastic laminate glued to the plywood. Assign it to the layer. Let's make backsplash. Start from here. We'll go 50 inches on the x-axis, comma 4 inches positive on the y-axis. So this is our backsplash. Assign it to the layer, and let's make the side splash again from this corner, going 0.75, comma 4 inches on the y-axis. Let's assign it to its layer as well, and we'll mirror this one and bring it onto the right side. So mirror command mi center line mirror no. Okay, and we'll convert this 4 objects into a block. Let's go to and select all the objects, go to insert, create block, give the name PLAM, stands for plastic laminate countertop elevation, and our block is ready. Let's go and make this block as dynamic block. So we'll go to block editor, and we'll assign some parameters, and then we'll give some action to those parameters. So we'll say line stretch parameter from here all the way to the end, bring it down, another line stretch parameter for our backsplash, out another parameter for line stretch for countertop. Usually this is not required because your countertop is now going to be more than double layer, so which is 1.5 inches the maximum unless you are using some other material. Let's name the parameters. Like distance 1, we are going to give like length, and distance 2 we are going to give as BSP height backsplash, BSP height, and distance 3 we are going to give as countertop height. Okay, so let's give some action to it. So select, right click, action selection set, new selection set, drag and draw your box and select all the objects in that box. Enter. We'll do the same thing for the backsplash. Select, right click, action set, select new selection, make a box halfway to the backsplash, select, enter. Same thing, we'll do it for our countertop thickness. Let's make selection area and select everything in there. Enter. Close, save changes, and voila, your block is ready. So let's stretch. So this BSP, the reason I gave you, because sometimes architects specify 4 inches, sometimes 3 inches, sometimes 6 inches, sometimes 8 inches. So you have the ability to do this as well. And as I told you, it's not required for the height of the countertop because it's double layer. So that's maximum is 1.5 inches. It's very rare that you will find any countertop unless it is a V-fold countertop or you have an apron in front. It's more than 1.5 inch. So again, we'll go down here, we'll adjust 96 inches for, I would say, for example, 4 inches backsplash and 1.5 inches countertop thickness. And there you go. your countertop is ready in elevation. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the third one.